Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another Destash haul from Luisa. This is the second box that I was waiting for. I said there was another box coming, and here it is. So, oh, it's the same size, large flat rate box. Let me open this. This is paper. Oh, I guess I should have opened it before. But here we go. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one came with one of her kits. Yes. I was just playing with her kits in my journal. Okay, I don't remember what the name of this kit was, but it includes a bunch of ephemera, some library cards, some guest checks, some tickets, and then some of her papers that she had in her digital kits, and some authentic, some dyed papers, just all bunch of papers that you could create a junk journal with. I'm going to keep it in here. Yeah. Okay, let me see. All right, so we got that. And then we've got all of these paper pads, you guys. Wallflower by Recollections. Let me turn it. I was trying to turn it around so that I could flip through it. I think these are just old paper pad. Recollections, I believe, is it Hobby Lobby? Recollections, yeah. Oh my gosh, why have I a brain freeze? But look at this paper. This is gold foil, and you get 3, I think. Yeah, 3 sheets. You get 16 designs, and this is beautiful. Oh wow, so very pretty. You can get some cardstock, solid cardstock, colored cardstock, and then you got flecks of gold in this one. Oh my god, more solid cardstock. And then you have this. It's like a toile. Reminds me of wallpaper again. More colored cardstock. Very nice, so that you have coordinating colors to go with the print. This is a gorgeous yellow. And then you have gold flakes on this one. Look at that. There you go. You can see the gold. Very pretty. It's just little flecks. And then you got pink. Look at that, is beautiful. Pink with the gold. Very nice. And then you have this little like fallish colors, but there's gold in it. See that? How pretty. Oh my god, I'm in love. And then you have this one with gold in it. Wow. So pretty. And then you've got the gray, like a gray toile. Oh, she used a little bit, but you know, still have some good scraps in there. So that is called Wallflowers by Recollections. The next one is the Glitter Craft Glossy Foil Haberdashery. Oh my gosh, you guys. This sucker is thick. Look at that. And she shared what it looked like. But I just like flipping through it for myself too, because I want to see it myself. Oh, look at that. So you do have some glossy finishing on here. Look at the clock. You get 3 of the designs. Very nice. And then you also get some glitter. There's the glitter. Ooh, that's sparkly. So if you don't like to, I mean, if you like the, what is it called? I don't know, like texture on your paper, but you don't like doing it, this is perfect because it gives you It gives you text, it gives you florals, it gives you glitter. It's so pretty. Oh, this is so nice. I can see why she picked this up. This is like gorgeous for junk journals. Look at that. All of that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. That's the glossy finish. Got some butterflies. Just a little touch of gloss on there. I don't know if you can see. There it is. It's on the flower. It's on the butterfly. Trying to show it, but it's hard to do on camera. There you go. Oh, there. Look at that. You got forks and spoons glittered, and then that chair. Oh, that'd be nice for a traveler's notebook insert. Very cool. This is just a mat with the burgundy florals, and then the roses are all glitter. Wow. And I don't think she used this one. Then you have the black like newsprint. Wow. Here's some of that gloss finish on there, the dress form. It's so hard to show it. There you go. Very nice. There's the chairs, got glossy finish. Look at that. Gosh, if these lights don't help me out. There we go. Oh my goodness. There we have some glitter. Another pretty multimedia. Look at that. It looks like multimedia, but it's not. And then you have some glossy finish here on the flowers. There you go. Wow. Butterflies. Very, very pretty. The bird is gorgeous. Wow. This one has a little bit of gloss. It's like the outline on there. There you go. You see that gloss. Man. Oh, she did use it. She used a little bit of it. Look at this. It's so pretty. It's hard to appreciate it on camera, but there you go. On the girl. So, there we go. A few of her scraps. Very, very usable. Die cutting and journal pages. So this one is haberdashery, craft cardstock. And then you have this one, bright vintage. Is this the same? Let me see. I don't think it is. If it's the same collection. It is. It is. So it's the same collection. This one is the used one. And let me see. So she bought two of this one, cardstock. I've already shared this one, but this one has all the scraps in it. Very, very pretty paper. Gorgeous. Love that. So I'm saving that for a friend. And then we have some shimmer. And I believe we have some of the shimmer. Yes, this is nice. Does it say? Just says shimmer. So there you have it. Those are the colors. There's that shimmer effect. Very pretty colors. Sorry for the shadows, but now I won't be afraid to use it. Okay, now this is a different glitter cardstock. This is Park Lane from Joann's. I didn't say this one's Recollections. So, you know, Hobby Lobby. This one's Joann's. I really bought it for this glitter paper. Oh, I love this. Silver, like that baby blue, like a robin's egg blue. And then this has a little bit of green in it, like a blue, but it has speckles of green glitter. It's kind of hard to show on screen. Oh, that purple is so pretty. And like, I don't know, corally color. Summer, I'm just thinking summertime. Look at that green. Oh my gosh, yes. Love it. And there's still plenty of white in this cardstock. Very, very nice. So yeah, I got that. And then I believe this is Walmart. This is, you get 30 sheets, and look at those colors. But they are blank, not blank, white core, I guess. But you get white, you get blue, teal, I want to say light lime green. I don't know. No, there's a lime green. I don't know what that green is. Aquamarine. I don't know. Yellow, orange. Oh, she used the orange a lot. This is light orange. You got darker orange, and then you got fuchsia, and then there is the, this is not pink, it's not purple, but it's in between. And there's the yellow. She used a lot of the yellow. Nice. But this is the textured finish, so it looks like linen. It's hard to, there you go, texture. I was trying to show you all that texture. So that is it for this very quick haul. Yes, I'll leave Luisa's links in the description box below. Hope you guys go check her out. And thanks for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, join my crafty family, or our crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this, or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again, friends, for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Thumbs up. Bye.